Hello guys! Good afternoon. So, ngayon, magkakain tayo ng balloon. Ito ay galing sa Mr. Squirrel. So, na-order ko siya sa Orange app. And, 6 pieces to guys. Pero since kinain ko na yung dalawa, so, 4 na lang. Tatlong spicy, tsaka tatlong flavored. Pero, mas bet ko talaga yung spicy. So, next time guys, pag-order ako ulit yung spicy nila. So, ito ay hot water. Para mainit siya. So, unahin natin itong spicy. Lagayan ko na. Dapat dito yung basura. Sorry. Ang sarap niya guys. Nabasag yung ano niya, yung yellow niya. Ang sarap. Actually, kahit hindi na kayo maglagay ng asin tsaka suka, masarap na talaga siya. Sarap.
Last long year before the pandemic. The number of tourist arrivals in the Philippines in the last 12 months is around about 55-60% of 2019.
Mauricio.
Malaysia 100, Vietnam 120% of 2019. So Philippines really lagged after.
Sana dinamihan ko talagang pag-order. Medyo kasi siya. Medyo pricey ganun. Pangalawa. So, yung expiration niya pala guys is December 5, 2026. So, matagal pa. December pa yung expiration. Kapag mag-order kayo, pwede nyo siya i-store sa fridge. Ang sarap niya guys, totoo. Ngayon lang ako nakakain kasi wala dito yung partner ko, ganun. Ayaw niya kasi ng ayaw niya ng balot. So, ngayon na ako mag-isa dito. Tsaka sabi niya mga 6:30 pa siya. Kakain muna tayo.
Malaysia, Thailand, you have short cross-border low-cost trips from the ASEAN, backpacking, etc. The Philippines is more geared towards kind of going to
Ang sarap niya guys.
spend time. Not necessarily size,
Ang sarap niya.
it just means that they're limiting what's
So, ganito na talaga ako kumain. Nilalagyan ko ng madaming asin. Tsaka spicy vinegar. Ang sarap niyang ka-partner.
One thing we sometimes forget is the impact it has on the individual, the vendors, the restaurant, the hotel, you know, the servers, the wait staff, all those people that affect the tourism, right? So whenever there's a lack of tourism, we sometimes forget like the impact it has on the local, not just the economy of the development, but actually people that are
Perfect na perfect itong flavor ng piatos na ito sa balot ng Mr. Squirrel. Try nyo na din, guys. Pangatlong balot. So, kanina, yung dalawa, dito ko siya binuksan sa may ganyan. So, hindi siya, pointed. Kasi yung normal na balot na, yung white, yung medyo malaki. Ito kasi, siya chicken. Chicken kasi ganito lang siya kalaki. So, yung sa normal na balot na duck na balot, pag buksan mo siya, dapat dito sa hindi pointed. So, ito, para siyang mali kanina. So, susubukan ko siya dito sa pointed. Oh! Sa pointed na part pala siya buksan. Parang gusto ko na lang siyang gawing ganito. Yung lagyan na lang ng madaming suka, tapos asin, tsaka hihigupin, ganun. Sarap. Ang sarap niya. So, iniisip ko talaga, guys, kung paano nila ginawa ito. Kasi ang sarap niya.
Itself, if you watch my page or not with this channel at some point, that's very critical of Nahia. I think definitely I know the airports have been to for sure, but I'm glad they're privatizing. Hopefully more improvements are coming. They've already tried to put up a wider range of like restaurants as well as eat-days, although I don't think they benefit international travel flights. So that's gonna speed up things. So I'm glad they mentioned this because this is like the first impact that we see when it comes to a country. And if it's the worst airport in the world, I have an impression, and that might actually set them up for like basically negative opinions about the whole thing. So I'm glad that I'm trying to hope more benefits and more improvements come from this year. So you're deciding on whether it's going to be to Malaysia versus the Philippines. You're taking into Malaysia. It's obvious which one you choose. Yes, it's just the start. Getting out. It's not
legit pala ang sarap niya, guys. Kasi dati nakikita ko lang ito sa sa video, sa Black app, sa Blue app. Nakikita ko lang sila na kinakain. So ngayon na na-try ko, o-order ulit talaga ako ng maramihan. Kasi pwede naman siya pwede siya i-store sa fridge. Then luto na ito, guys. Tsaka kapag anytime gusto mong kumain, tsaka meron ka nito, mo lang, ilalagay mo lang sa mainit na tubig ganito. Hot water yan. Para mainit siya konti. Ang sarap niya, legit. Hindi ka magsasawa. Excuse me. Last. Pang-apat. So, siguro sa mga susunod na araw, kakain ulit ako nito kasi mag-order pa ako ulit nito. Yeah, I did it.
That's an excellent point. I never thought of it, right? So the bus stops and stuff, GPs just stop wherever there's customers, right? That helps to slow down traffic. Something that seems so obvious that I never thought of before. I'm glad they're trying to modernize this. Hopefully, not even environmental impact. I'm not sure about that, but I'm talking about the fact that you can put more people in actual modernized GPs and force air conditioning and hopefully have definitely stops. But they've been talking about this for the past 2 years from
Paliliguan ko muna ng spicy vinegar kasi apakasarap niya, guys, lalo na kapag yung spicy talaga. Salt, madaming salt, mas masarap. Ang sarap niya, kahit sabaw, ang sarap niya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Parang ayoko nang tantanan ang balot na itong sarap niya. Partneran mo ng ganito. Yung last bite, asin. Hindi siya matigas, kaya makakain nyo siya. Kapag ayaw nyo ng white ng balot, yung matigas nasa last na part, ito makakain nyo kasi hindi siya matigas. So, last bite. Legit, 100% ang sarap. Diyos ko, pati sabaw, mapapainom ka. Tapos na. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. So guys, since tapos na tayo magmukbang ng balot ng Mr. Squirrel. So ngayon, nakapagligpit na ako ng aking table. Ngayon maghuhugas na naman tayo. Mabilisan lang kasi pauwi na yung aking partner Kinemerot. May meeting kasi siya ngayon, guys. Ayan. Kaya nagmukbang ako ng balot ng hindi niya alam. Tapos magtatanong siya mamaya pagdating niya, bakit hindi ako gutom, eh hindi naman ako kumain. Ang hindi niya alam na nagmukbang ako ng balot na napakasarap.